Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a booking for an existing patient. To book an appointment, the user needs to be on the diary screen. There are two ways to book an appointment on the diary. We will now go over the first method, creating a booking from the diary screen. Double-click on the desired time slot where the user wishes to make a booking. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Complete the booking by searching for the desired data. Click on the Save button to book the data's appointment. Next, we will go through the second method. From the diary screen, click on the New Booking button located in the top right corner of the screen. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Booking details should be completed before the data or patient details will display. The diary field is a practitioner's diary screen where the user may manage and see the practitioner's diary. Booking type is what the user needs to select in order to select the suitable booking type for the type of appointment that the patient requires. This will determine the time of the appointment, as every type has its own setting, such as the length of the appointment. Booking status is a status that is linked to the booking type. Location is a location of where the appointment will take place, for example, rooms or hospitals, or a specific room, for example, room 1 or room 5. Date is the date of the appointment. Time is how late the appointment will be. Duration is the length of the appointment. Every booking type will have its own duration. Treating doctor is a practitioner who will treat the patient. The reason is where the user may complete the reason for the appointment. The referring doctor is a practitioner who has referred the patient to the treating doctor. Service center, where the appointment will take place, for example, rooms or hospital. The repeat booking button is where the user may repeat the booking over a certain extended time period. To search for the correct data related to the patient, start typing any of the details of the data in the search bar, for example, name, surname, or ID number. The system searches for the patient as soon as at least 3 characters have been typed in. A list will appear of the data on the system that matches the details the user has typed if there is more than one person with a possible match. Choose the correct data from the list. The details will now reflect under the data and patient details on the left and right hand of the Add Edit screen. Choose the desired patient on the data's list for whom the user wishes to make an appointment for. Before saving the appointment and after selecting the data's information will be validated. And if the data's information is not valid, and the user will need to fix all the problems on that data's information before the booking may be made and saved. If the user wishes to cancel the booking, the user may click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will appear to ask the user if the user wishes to exit without saving. The user may save the booking if the user clicks on the Save button. Next, let's go over the booking of the existing patient that will appear on the diary screen. The existing patient's booking will now appear in the chosen time slot. Click on the existing patient's booking. The diary sidebar will appear, which contains all the relevant personal information of the patient. Please note that the data's name, surname, number, and any outstanding amounts will be visible. For more information regarding the sidebar, please refer to the diary sidebar functionality user manual linked in this video's description.